Are you short on content topics? Not sure where your next idea is coming from? Then keep on watching, for in this video we'll talk about how to find killer YouTube content ideas. And before we start, please hit that like and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's get started. YouTube has come a long way in the previous years, from being just a video sharing network to being one of the popular mediums to earn money. And why not? This popular search engine has a video solution for all your needs. The pandemic compelled a majority of people to shift to online platforms for work and pleasure. This led to a massive surge in the total number of viewers on YouTube, with an increase in the average time spent on YouTube. In 2022, the total number of active users skyrocketed to 467 million as per recent global stats, making Google's YouTube the second most popular search engine after Google. This allowed creators to become popular by creating exciting and engaging content and attracting a plethora of people to their YouTube channels. Content creators today are more curious than ever to explore the best types of content to grow on YouTube, and rightly so. YouTube's popularity roots in its huge viewer base and the reach it provides to the creators, which makes it apt to be considered the princess of Queen Google. But from all of the hundreds and thousands of different kinds of content on YouTube, how do you find killer content ideas you can use? Well, we've got you covered. We'll show you 10 ways to find killer content ideas for YouTube. Starting off in number 1, know your audience. It is important to understand your target audience, including their interests, pain points, and what they are looking for in content. Use this information to create content that directly addresses their needs and appeals to them. Next, trending topics. Stay updated with the latest news and trends in your niche and create content that aligns with them. This helps you keep your content fresh and relevant to your audience. Next, number 3, competitor research. Analyze your competitors' content and look for gaps in the market that you can fill. This can help you identify new opportunities and provide unique value to your audience. Number 4, Q&A format. Respond to frequently asked questions related to your niche in a Q&A format. This type of content provides helpful information to your audience, while also showcasing your expertise. Number 5, collaboration. Collaborate with other creators in your niche, either through cross-promotion, joint projects, or guest appearances. This can help you reach new audiences and increase exposure for your channel. Number 6, user-generated content. Encourage your audience to share their experiences and perspective on a particular topic. This not only generates fresh content for your channel, but also fosters a sense of community and engagement with your audience. Number 7, behind the scenes. Share exclusive behind-the-scenes content to give your audience an inside look at your life and work. This type of content can be personal and engaging, helping to build a stronger connection with your audience. Number 8, repurpose old content. Revamp old content by adding new information, a fresh perspective, and a different format. This allows you to make the most of existing content and keep it relevant to your audience. Number 9, live streaming. Live streaming is a great way to engage with your audience in real time and create a more personal connection. Consider hosting Q&A sessions, demonstrations, or other interactive content that encourages audience participation. And lastly, number 10, experimentation. Don't be afraid to try new formats, styles, or ideas and see what resonates with your audience. Experimentation can help you find new ways to engage and captivate your audience, and also keep your content fresh and dynamic. In conclusion, while getting popular on YouTube takes time, it is very much achievable with consistency and quality content. If you ever find it challenging to find your next killer content idea, use some of the best ways we've discussed in this video to make your YouTube channel a big hit. And there you have it, how to find killer YouTube content ideas. And I hope you find this video helpful. And if it did, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
did you know that you can get a software that gets perfect titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags? and tells you which keywords are hard to rank and which are easy. It can get the exact optimizations that you need to rank on number 1. You can keep collections of your favorite channels, videos, tags, and hashtags, and optimize any videos in minutes, not hours. And that is TubeRankJeet 4. Stop being in the background and get your number 1 rankings plus traffic with TubeRankJeet 4. It's a powerful video SEO optimization in minutes. It's the easiest YouTube ranking and traffic system invented, with just 3 steps. Step 1. Identify the keywords you want to rank. Step 2. Follow TubeRankJeet's instruction. And Step 3. Enjoy the traffic. So, try TubeRankJeet 4 now. Go to tubeRankJeet.com. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.